Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to share with you 6 habits of becoming a successful trader. Now, what I am about to show you would help you on your journey to become a successful trader, either you are trading on spot or on futures. As you know, trading can be very risky. That's why over 90% of traders lose money. But in this video, I am going to share with you how you can become a profitable trader over time. There are things you need to know when trading to help you and to guide you. Aside technical analysis, there are other things you need to know when trading, and I am going to walk you through all this in this video. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you would need to know to become a successful trader is sticking to your strategy. Now, if you have a working strategy, it is best you stick to your strategy because the market can try to shake you to make irrational decisions. If you stick to your strategy over time, no matter the market movements, as long as you can control your emotions when trading, you will be a profitable trader over time. Now, for example, if you are the kind of person that trades with indicators, let's say the MACD, all you need to do is to stick with the indicator. You know exactly how the MACD works best for you. Now, you would have to stick to your strategy when using the MACD. You know that when it crosses to the upside, that means you will need to long, and when it crosses to the downside, that means you will need to short. You need to stick to your strategy no matter the market movements because, like I said, the market will try to shake you. Learn to know when to be greedy and when to be fearful. Once you know how to do all this, that will begin your journey to become a successful trader. The second thing you would need to know is to minimize your risk. In TradingView, there's a tool to help you with your risk management. If you go over to this section right here and you click on this, you can manage your risk whether you're in a long position or you are in a short position right here. Right now, I am going to show you how to manage your risk when you are in a long position. So you can click on this. Now, this is how it's going to look like. Let's say you are meant to enter a position at around 49,000 right here. When you enter this position, this tool would help you showing your risk reward ratio. My stop loss would be at around this level, $44,000, and my take profit would be above $58,000. Now, when I do this, as you can see, I would be getting a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. That means I would be gaining twice the money that I would lose. I would gain more and lose less. Now, that is how you manage your risk. Once you enter a trade, you know you're taking a risk because no trade is 100% guaranteed. When you do this, you would be managing your risk accordingly. This would help you in your journey to become a successful trader. Now, the third habit is knowing when to cut your losses. I know cutting your losses can be really painful when you are in a trade because no one wants to lose money. Everyone wants to make money. But let me tell you that in trading, especially when you're trading futures, it is necessary to cut your losses because you can come back another day to be a better trader, to follow a better strategy. You come back, you re-strategize, you plan ahead, and that's how you become a better trader. Understand? Because if you decide to lose all your money on your first day of trading, then you would be discouraged to continue in your trading journey. So that's why it is good to cut your losses and come back to play this game another day. Now, if you use exchanges like Binance, when trading on Binance, it is best to use isolated margin. Now, when you use isolated margin, you would be using a particular portion of your futures balance. Now, this is very helpful as a first step to guide you in cutting your losses. Understand? Because when you do this, if the trade goes against you and you get liquidated, you would lose a particular amount of your futures balance. This amount would be what was used to enter the position. But if you use cross, now this is the risky part. Now this is the entire amount in your futures wallet, and this is very risky. Learn to put in a stop loss. When you put in a stop loss, it is best because if you've already done your technical analysis and the market didn't go exactly the way your analysis was planned out, you would need to put in a stop loss. No trade is 100% guaranteed. Even the best of traders lose their trades. For you to be on top of your game, always have a strategy, always have a plan, manage your risk, and always put in your stop loss just in case the trade goes against you. Now, the fourth habit you can use to becoming a successful trader is by keeping a journal. A journal is one of the most effective tools for a trader's performance management. In order for a trader to evaluate themselves, they use a journal. A journal is like a log that a trader uses to record their trades. As a profitable trader, you need your outflow to be greater than your inflow. That's how you make profit over time. You need to keep record of all this, not just records of your trades, records of your fees. Because when you place your trades, you mostly pay fees. You have to keep record of your trades, your gains, your loss, and also the fees you paid during trading. You can use Excel for your journal. On Excel, you can calculate profit or loss once you've input your amount of trades, either in a day, weeks, months, or years. Now, the fifth habit of becoming a successful trader is by staying informed. Now, once you are current in market news, then you would be on top of your game. You would be able to make rational decisions easily. Now, since we are trading crypto, for we to do this, we would have to go to Cointelegraph. Cointelegraph is a very good tool to use when trading. You can scroll down and see lots of news to help you become a better trader. Also, you can use CoinDesk. CoinDesk is another good tool to help you in the crypto space. And also, if you're the social type of person, you can follow the official pages of the exchange you are using. Now, for example, you can follow the Binance official page on Twitter. Now, this could help you in staying up to date in the exchange you are using. You can also follow the official Coinbase account if you are using Coinbase to place your trades. As you know, knowledge is power, and once you know a lot, you would be on top of your game. Now, so far, I have mentioned 5 habits to becoming a successful trader. Now, the last habit I am going to mention right now is the most important one, because as a trader, you don't need to trade every single day. Sometimes you would want to take a little break off trading. Once you take a break, relax, it helps you calm your brain. You would feel in a better position to come back to trading and make good rational decisions. So it's better sometimes to take a little break off trading. Now, these are the 6 habits to help you becoming a successful trader over time. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. Now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.